What's up guys, Uwe here. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to fill your grease gun. So there are three ways in filling your grease gun. So the first one is the cartridge. So this is the most common and easiest way of filling your grease gun. And then the other way is by using a bulk pump, like this one, the one with the bigger barrel. And then the other one is by manually scooping grease into the barrel of your grease gun. So the method that I'll be showing in this video is by using the cartridge, because this is the easiest and the cleanest way to fill your grease gun. Alright, so let's get on to it. Alright, so the first step is to open your grease gun. So remove the barrel from the head just by turning it counterclockwise. And then let's prep our grease gun. So pull the lever back all the way, just like that, and then grab your cartridge. So there are two sides of the cartridge, this one and then this one. So on this side, just remove the cap, just like that, and this side goes in like this. So the open side faces the T handle. So just drop it in there. So make sure you pull it all the way. Alright, so once it's like that, it's time to remove this one. Remove the tin cover and then once that's done, time to put the cap back in. Make sure it's tight. So after putting the cartridge in and putting the head back, just push this lever going back to the barrel of the grease gun. So after pushing this one, it's time to pump it up to make sure that grease will come out from this end. So make sure you have some sort of rug or paper towel at the end, so you don't make a mess. Alright, so there's already grease coming out from here, so we're all good to go. So I'll just show it to you one more time. So make sure you pull the lever all the way up so that it will scoop and pump out some grease from the grease gun. So there you see. So yeah, that's how you fill your grease gun with the cartridge system. So I hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll see you on the next vid. Alright.